Trapper Dave. This is December the 20th. I've got a little bit of a story to tell here before I really get into the checking the trap day. This is like check trap day number 4, and the reason behind this is we come over here on Tuesday the 16th, I guess it was. Yeah, and set some traps. There's probably a video. The video should be up on that. And I come back over here on Wednesday morning to check everything, and there was people over here fishing. So that day got blown away because I don't know where the people would, take something that don't belong to them. I don't have no idea, but they wouldn't know what I was doing. I told them I was just out looking around the pond for beaver shine. And the lady told me that she had seen a lot of them here back in the summer when she was over here fishing. And what you're doing to fishing when the pond's froze over in ice about everywhere is kind of a mystery. So I really didn't do anything. I went to 1 foot hole, and I had a beaver caught, and it had pulled out. It wasn't caught good. It just got a couple of toenails, which that's that happens sometimes. But I didn't even set it back. I just let it throw it over in the weeds, and then come back over here on Thursday, set everything back, and hadn't seen anybody else over here. And yesterday, the 19th, and the 18th and 19th, we didn't have anything. So we come back this morning. We're going to give them one more night. I had another one caught in a foot hole, and it, I don't know, it's doing front feet catch. I've got the trap set back where it should be catching in the hind foot, but with those big traps, sometimes they will, if I catch them with the toes, it will pull out. So we had that happen again last night. But we come up here to where there's a pond right there where that old dead snag sticking up right there, about 20 foot from me. On top there's a pond there, and then the pond that we was trapping in is right here below us. But we come up here this morning. I was checking everything. There ain't nobody fishing right now. I'm going to get out of here before they say they're fishing. But we got a big beaver right here in this slide. We put a 330 right there, and I guess he come, I don't know which way he come. He probably come from that way, because that's where they got some crossovers down there. I had some traps and crossovers, but I didn't have enough to fill them all. So they was still 2 or 3 more ways where he could have come up through here. But that right there is a big beaver. I'm going to say probably in the probably 50 pound plus range. I'm going to get him out here and look at it and see. But anyway, we have got one out of here. We're going to leave it one more night and see what happens. But it's a big old nice beaver right there. So we're gonna get it carried out of here. We've got a pretty good little ways, but to get back to the vehicle. But we're gonna get it, and we're gonna get back home and get it took care of. We've got to go this evening and look at another beaver place. The lady's having some problems and stuff like that, and then hopefully we can get back in time to go a deer hunting this evening. Deer season's running out here in Tennessee, so we're gonna try to see if we can get back and get us go hunting a while season. But anyway, that's just a little bit of history, what's been going on this week. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, and we're going to pull traps in the morning and get us a game plan together the next week. I'll talk more about that on video tomorrow. But anyway, from Trapper Dave, we'll catch y'all out in the field.